I had this whole corny thing I was going to read during this, but I decided just to kind of narrate. I will tell you this. Every time I take a guest to Barbary Beach, I do say the same thing. Just before we see the beach, I turn to them with a grin on my face and I say, prepare yourself. But the truth is, you can't prepare yourself for the beauty of Barbary Beach. I've stood there in total amazement and watched people reduced to tears upon first sight of this beach. They're just overwhelmed by its beauty. On this particular weekend, it was Jamie's 50th birthday, and I was honored that he chose to spend it with us in the Bahamas. Jamie came down with Linda and Mimi, his mother. You can walk Barbary Beach for hour upon hour and never see another soul. What you will come across most often is hoof prints from someone that likes to ride a horse up and down the beach. One of the things I have to keep telling myself when I walk down Barbary Beach is that this is the way this beach has looked for millions of years. It's unspoiled, untouched by man. To me, it's just incredible that a place like this still exists. I have to tell you that when I walk down this beach, I can just feel the stress leaving my body. A good stroll down the beach always seems to be the best therapy. Okay, I'm sure you're going to find this hard to believe, but I've run out of profound things to say here. So I'm going to leave you alone in just a minute. But I will offer this. If you ever find yourself in Grand Bahama, look me up. I'll be honored to show you the way to Barbary Beach. But don't forget, prepare yourself. One last thing. Happy birthday, Jamie. Let's do it again next year.